Hello, welcome to Made by KM. I am Kaushik. In this video, I will show you how I made this aquascape in a small 6-inch tank. So, let's see. This is dry garden soil mixed with some laterite soil. This soil is free from inorganic matters, harmful chemicals or fertilizers. I am making a slope from back to front and placing the rocks in such a way so that I can create a sense of depth in this layout. I am filling the gaps with more soil to make the layout stable. To clean the dirt from the surface of the rocks, I am spraying water on it. Moreover, as a result, the soil will also be settled. Now I am adding java moss to this layout. I am occasionally spraying water on the moss to keep it from drying out. Now I am adding Micranthemum Monte Carlo to the front. And at last I am covering the rest of the bottom with java moss. Now it's time to fill water in the tank. And this is what the aquascape looks like after filling the tank with water. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, then please press the like button and let me know in the comment section below if you have any queries. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.